Hey friends, I brought in a spare speaker for repair. It stopped working after a fall, so let's take it apart. I see a rubber insert underneath. I'm going to heat it up and remove it now. The top part is disassembled as follows. There are 4 latches on the cover. You need to pull them out, then unscrew the 4 screws. Before I begin disassembling the speaker further, I want to disassemble the power supply and check all the output voltages. I think this is because when I connect the wire from the power supply to the speaker, there is number 20 volts at the speaker, even though the power supply says it's 20 volts. Therefore, I want to disassemble the power supply first. The power supply is glued together, but it's still possible to remove it. I removed the cover, and this is what the inside of the power supply looks like. I want to remove the board with the Type-C connector and measure the voltages. When I was removing this black ribbon cable, I noticed that it came off suspiciously easily, as if it hadn't been fully secured. Let's try turning it on in this disassembled state to see if the ribbon cable was the issue. As you can see, the backlight works. It turns out there was a problem with the cable. Let's reassemble the speaker and try to get it running. The power supply outputs 5 volts and 2.5 volts, meaning 2 voltages at once. Although the power supply says it outputs 20 volts, it doesn't, and I don't know why they did it that way. Let's turn on the speaker in assembled form. I'll press different buttons now. The volume buttons are responsive.
Не могу подключиться к интернету. Советую перезагрузить роутер. Или, если есть приложение салют на Android.
As you can see, the speaker is now working properly and trying to connect to Wi-Fi. Apparently, the top cable on the speaker came loose after the fall. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and like it. And for those who want to support the channel, the donation link is below the video. Wishing you successful repairs, friends. Bye.